Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, 160 divide in the parenthesis 8 plus 8, then multiply 4, okay? So, please solve this question correctly by yourself, okay? And then comment your answer, okay? And if your answer is 100% correct, then I will like your comment, okay? And if your answer is wrong, so no problem, check this solution and learn, okay? So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. Okay, according to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so now according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 160 divide, solve this parenthesis, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, multiply 4. Now here is one division and here is multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication. So is equal to 160 divided by 16 is equal to 10 multiply 4. Now 10 multiply 4 is equal to 40. Okay, so the correct answer is 40. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.